Hey everyone, I'm going to go ahead and do this 3D bloom for you. Hopefully it'll help out, get you going on your own. So I'm using magic resin, and I have about 8 ounces mixed up, and I've let it sit for about 22 minutes already. So it's ready to go. It's nice and warm, and I'm using white paste from Let's Resin for my lines, and then just a mixture of greens from Let's Resin alcohol ink. So anyway, let's do it. So I'm going to take a little aside for the white. Don't need very much. Usually end up with leftovers. And then pour the rest into my mold. This is a Molds in Shape large mold. They have a medium, and they have a set of coasters in this design as well. So this mold, I've mixed 8 ounces. I don't necessarily want it completely full. I'm going to do something a little bit different with this one. Once it's done, I am going to put it into a plant stand and then cover it with resin. So I have my design on top. So I'll give you that finished product when it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and torch, get all your bubbles out, go fast so you don't burn your mold. I tried doing alcohol ink and it distorted my design, so I'm not gonna do the alcohol ink, or the rubbing alcohol. All right, so on the paste, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. I just use a, whatever this is, paper clip. Get just a little bit on the end of it. You don't need very much. You don't want very much. If you have it too thick, too heavy, that's what gives you your blob. So you want it a little bit transparent, so you can see maybe what that looks like. Just takes very little. You can use a toothpick if you want, but mine's low enough down in the bottle that I need to get this, I like this better. All right, one more torch. So I've just, my mixture of greens, I got a little turquoise in there, yellow. Start with my yellow in the center. No rhyme or reason to how you drop these in. I just go with the flow. It's a yellow green, that's why. Don't know if I like it. Now if I'm going to shape this into a bowl, I take it out after 12 hours and it's still supple, so you can bend it and mold it, shape it into your bowl. Oh, my turquoise. So for my white, I just use a little baggie. Put it in. You can use your decorating bags, but sandwich baggie works just fine. Just get it in the corner. Try and get all the air out. Let's see. Cut a very small piece of that corner off. A little bit. And then you're just gonna go fast. Oops. Try not to get your blobs. Go as close to the edge as you can. I'm going to torch this real quick. Be careful though, because you do have the alcohol ink on there. You don't want it to catch on fire. Then this side, take a little stick. And create your design.
Knock it off.
And I'm going to go out. And pull out whatever's in there. Oh. All right, one more little torch. All right, and that's it. So I don't know if I can get you closer in, but it'll dry for, oops, I guess I can't do that. Anyway, I'm gonna cover it up, give it a little, give it a little swirl in the middle. All right, we're gonna hope for it to dry and cure, make my little bloom, and we're good to go.